Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how we can use a Google Chromecast to play YouTube or Netflix using our car roof mount screens or headrest screens, which should have a HDMI port and a USB port as well, or you can use an external power source, but in this case I am using my DVD port for power to power up my Google Chrome. So I have to make sure that Google Chrome will work on your car. You must have set up a Wi-Fi hotspot. It can either be on your mobile or you have to use a pocket Wi-Fi, something like this I am using. So it always stays there, and my Chromecast connected to their Wi-Fi. So everyone knows, or probably it's not that difficult thing, how to first time set up your Google Chromecast with your Wi-Fi. Once it's connected and you have internet in your vehicle, then you can use your mobile to stream anything on this screen here. So for right now, as I'm using my mobile to make this video, but I'm going to pause it, and I'll play a YouTube video first on this, and then I'll come back. So now I'm playing this video on my mobile, or actually on this screen using my mobile, and it's on YouTube. Or similar, you can play something on Netflix without any problem, and it works great. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.